I'm Anthony Seldon, and I'm co-founder of Action for Happiness. Now, this week is Men's Health Week, and I'm going to talk specifically about men's mental health because we don't talk enough about it. Men just don't talk enough about their own feelings. We blokes might be quite good at doing things like going to the gym and having our 5 fruit and veg a week, but when it comes down to talking about how we are feeling and whether we're low or anxious or fearful about stuff, well, that's not so good. And that's not good enough. Suicide amongst males is 3 times higher than amongst women, and for under 45s, suicide is now the biggest killer of males in Britain. I myself have had periods of my life which I found difficult, and to be honest, I didn't do enough to share those feelings with others to get help. I just I soldiered on, and that word is indicative, isn't it, of a male attitude. And I'm wanting to say now that it's perfectly fine to feel down, and there are things that one needs to do it. And whereas there used to be a stigma some years ago about mental health, and it was associated with being weak and whatever and not masculine, that frankly is just bullshit, and has changed, and rightly so. And there are things that now we can do. And one of the really good things, I think, is to get in touch with Action for Happiness and to find out more about the 10 keys to happier living, all very solidly backed by volumes and volumes of academic research saying that these things like taking more exercise and building good relationships and finding and exploring deeper meanings in life and creativity, these are ways that actually help us every bit as much as, for example, taking pills to make us feel better. So I would say to you that it's perfectly normal to feel down and to find life difficult. COVID now is giving us many more reasons for feeling like that, and that rather than just suffering in silence, that isn't actually a good male thing to do at all. Doing something about it is, sharing your feelings is, and getting in touch with us at Action for Happiness. Look at our website, look at the 10 keys for happier living, try them out, see what works for you. Now, these are really good things, and good luck to all of you. Farewell.